All right, welcome to ISE 2020, and we are here on the Logitech booth. My name is Philippe de Palance, and I am here going to talk to you about our video collaboration setup. What we're presenting here at ISE is everything that Logitech has to offer around video collaboration. If you look at here on the right, the first setup that we have here is all the equipment that would be necessary for video collaboration at the personal desk, whether it's at home or at the office, open office or closed office, it doesn't matter. We have set it up in a way where you end up with a series of solutions depending on the type of work that you do. Then on the right here, you have different type of conference room, and we have simplified the purchase process and focused on only three major rooms that you would have to set up: a small, a medium, and a large. And so for each of those rooms, we have a very simple bill of material, the type of equipment that you have to order in order to equip this room. So we make it super easy to order and also super easy to install. So within a couple hours, you would be able to do a video collaboration. Again, welcome to Logitech. You can find more information on logitech.com/VC.